Hello everyone. Welcome to Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, Center for Distance and Online Education. In this video, we are going to see the process of DEB ID generation, that is Distance Education Bureau ID. DEB ID is a unique ID and is mandatory for everyone who is looking to get admission in any university level program under online and distance learning mode. So, let's see the process. The one who needs to generate the DEB ID should be going to Google search and type DEB ID over there. The first URL, that is DEB admission, is the URL for the generation of DEB ID. Now, let's see the process for DEB ID generation. To generate the DEB ID, it is mandatory for all the students to have the ABC ID. In this window, the student needs to enter their ABC ID. Once they type their 12-digit ABC ID in this box, they need to click on Enter button. Once they click on Enter, they would be asked for their email address and the mobile number. Students should be giving the mobile number which is linked with their Aadhaar number. Once they enter the email address and the mobile number, they can click on I agree. On agreeing to the terms and conditions, they click on Submit button and their DEB ID gets generated. So, students need to produce this ID to the institute while taking the admission to any ODL or online program. For more information, you can visit our website bharatividyapeethonline.com. Thank you so much.